Hey, how's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw a mixture of Sonic and Bryson from Haminations as one character. Let's go over this lesson really quick. Follow along, let's get started. Okay, let's go over that mixture. Let's go over Bryson from Haminations and Sonic as one. Let's do it. First thing I do right here is I'm gonna draw a curve right here for the eye. It's gonna be very Bryson-like, this eye. Line underneath. Looks like a gravestone, kinda. Let's go over here. We're gonna draw the exact same shape right next to it. And we're gonna fill these in. I think filling them in is pretty important. You don't have to fill it in. If you want to color it later, you can totally do that. But I personally like doing, at least all the darks and the light stuff, I like doing that right off the bat, like almost immediately. I think it helps a lot. I think it, you know, it guides me through the entire thing. So we're gonna go right here and I'm gonna draw a line, well, S curve from one eye right there. Curve right here. It's gonna be kind of that curl of his eye or his hair. And we draw a line, line, line for underneath the hair. Up. Kind of that swirl that he has. Before we get to that though, I'm gonna go over here and I'm going to draw a line out here. Curve for one side of his face, and I'm gonna kind of take it to the other side of his face right here. Just kind of like this round shape. Okie doke. Curve right there, like a banana shape. Line right here for his tongue, and we're gonna fill this shape in as well. Like I said, everything that I think will read quickly, you know, like in case you had to like leave the drawing, it'll just like read better if we do that. If you're a Bryson fan, hit the like. If you're a Sonic fan, hit the like. If you just really like these mixtures, hit the like. It helps the algorithm out. Just pressing that like button, it's a huge difference, and not that many people are doing it, I noticed, for the proportion, the amount of people. So like it will stand out, I noticed, at least for me. All right, I'm gonna go down right here, curve up for his neck. All right, outward over here, down for his shirt. Outward over here, down. Line over here, curve across, up. All right, downward. Line for his waist and leg. Waist and leg. I'm gonna make his legs skinnier though. You know, like they're gonna be skinnier. That's a Sonic trait, more skinny legs. And I'm gonna give him Sonic shoes. Right here looks like a 3. Like this side, like a 3. Right here looks like an E or whatever. Put them together, and you have the like that kind of socks shape at the end of the shoes. So downward over here. And we're gonna go over here now. And the triangle of the feet right there. Line down, line down, line down over here, line down over here. Get the stripes, the Sonic stripes of the shoes. Okay. And I want to draw like a power ring on his chest. Circle, another circle instead. Very Sonic-like. Line in for, you know, the shirt there. Line over here. Out, in. Curve, curve, curve. Up, elbow. And over here, we're gonna have his arm go outward. You have the one hand right there, like the fingers. Back over here, up. Line over here, line over here. Okay, now I saved the last part here, the best for last. So we're gonna go over like how to make his hair a little bit more on the spiky side. So it's gonna go up, down, up over here, down, up over here, down, up over here, down over here, but we're gonna make it connect for a second right there. So it's going to be more of a spiky shape across. And then we're gonna have the shape kind of scroll off over there. Over here, and up there. Up there. It's gonna have like that kind of flow to it, that spikier form. It's gonna have the spikes on the side, pretty much. If we want, we're gonna throw a triangle right there for the ears. Another triangle right there for the other ear. In like that, in like that. Another triangle within that. That is it. That is that mixture. That is that mixtured form. All right. What I want you to do is I want you to stay here and let's do another drawing lesson together, okay? Stay right now. Don't forget to check out all the cool stuff in the description as well. There's a lot of great stuff. There's free how to draw. There's a free ebook. There is tons of like other videos, tons of other playlists. Go check that out and share the video. And let's go into the next lesson right now. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.